Kevin Sears camper tricycle is a fascinating blend of art, creativity, and functionality. Imagine a compact, pedal-powered vehicle that's also a fully functional camper. This unique invention pushes the boundaries of design, offering a glimpse into a future where sustainable living meets ultimate portability. At first glance, it looks like a regular tricycle, but the magic lies in its clever engineering. The camper module is meticulously designed, featuring a cozy sleeping space and minimalistic interiors. It's not just a piece of art, it's a practical solution for those who dream of hitting the road without a massive carbon footprint. The camper tricycle is perfect for urban explorers and adventure enthusiasts alike. It's lightweight, eco-friendly, and turns heads wherever it goes. The craftsmanship showcases Kevin Sears' genius, combining aesthetics and utility in a way that feels ahead of its time. Each curve and detail reflects his passion for creating functional sculptures. What makes this tricycle even more special is its underlying message. It challenges traditional ideas of travel and mobility, encouraging people to rethink their relationship with space, resources, and the environment. It's not just about getting from point A to B, it's about enjoying the journey and living sustainably. This one-of-a-kind creation isn't just a tricycle, it's an experience. Whether you're navigating narrow city streets or finding a quiet spot in nature, Kevin Sears' camper tricycle redefines what it means to travel light. It's proof that innovation can be both practical and inspiring.